In this video, I'll show you how to find draft posts on Facebook using a PC. If you've saved a post as a draft for your Facebook page, you can easily access and manage it from your browser. First, open your preferred web browser and go to facebook.com. Sign in with the account that manages your Facebook page. Next, open Meta Business Suite from the left menu or visit it directly if you already use it. Once you're in Meta Business Suite, click Content or Planner, depending on your account version. Here, you'll see tabs for Published, Scheduled, and Drafts. Click the Drafts tab to view all your unpublished page posts. Select the draft you want to open, then choose to edit, publish, schedule, or delete it. After making your changes, click Save, Schedule, or Publish to complete the action. Keep in mind that personal Facebook profile drafts are not stored the same way on the desktop version, so this method mainly works for Facebook pages. If you don't see the Drafts tab, make sure you're signed in with the correct page and using the latest version of Meta Business Suite. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.